Ferdianto. Today I want present text 150 sentence. My journey is visual communication design science. Since I was a child, I have always been fascinated by art, color, and design. I love drawing, painting, and making simple craft. Whenever I had free time, I would grab my sketchbook and creative illustration. As I grew older, I realized the design was more than just an art. From it was a way to communicate idea, tell story, and influence people. That relation led me to choose visual communication design or DKV as my field of study. The reason I chose DKV, one of the one of the main uh, one of the main reason I chose DKV was my deep passion for creativity. I want to learn how to create visual message, the could connect with people. I was also interested in how design could be applied to various industries such as advertising, branding, and digital media. The idea of combining art with communication fascinated me. I didn't want to limit myself to just traditional art. I want to explore how technology and design color work together. I also love the idea of the storytelling through visual, a single poster, logo, and or animation could tell a story and a full mission. Another reason was the growing demand for design in the digital world. Everywhere we look, we see design logo, poster, advertisement, packaging, and social media content. I realized being the design mean having the power to shape how people piece brand message and even emotions. That motivation me to pursue of career in the field. Additionally, I want a career that allowed me to express myself creative will also be practical. DKV was the perfect build of art and functionality. It allowed me to turn my passion into a profession. Learn experience in DKV. Studying DKV was an eye-opening experience. The first thing I learned was the design is not just about making things look beautiful. This about problem solving. Every design has a pressure, whether it's to inform pressure or entertain. My professor taught me to always consider the target audience, the message, and the functionality of a design. In my first year, I learned the basic of design principles, colors, typography, composition, and visual hierarchy. I practice sketching, creative layout, and experimenting with different fonts. I also learn about the history of art and design, which help help me understand how design has evolved over time. As I progressed, I was introduced to digital tools like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. This software program become essentially in my design process. I learned how to create vector illustration, edit photo, and design layout for printing and digital media. At first, I was overwhelming, but with practice, I became more comfortable using using these tools. One of the most exciting part of my studies was work on real project. We had assessment that requested us to create branding concept, design poster, and develop packaging design. This project taught me how think creatively, manage manage time effectively, sorry, effective effectively, and present my idea clearly. Another another value lesson I learned was the importance of feedback. At first, I was nervous about presenting my work to another, but over time I realized that constructive criticism helped me grow. My lecture, my lecture and classmates gave me insight that improved my design. I learned that design is a process of continuous improvement. I also discovered the importance of the research in design. Before starting any project, I needed to understand the target audience, market trends, and design psychology. Good design is not just about aesthetic, but about is about understanding people needs and behaviors. Throughout throughout my studies, I also explored different fields of design, such as motion graphic, UI, or UX design, and everything. This helped me to realize that the cafe is a broad field with many care possibilities. Internship experience. During my internship, I got the opportunity to work at a design agency. It was a completely different experience from the classroom. In school, we had time to experience and make mistakes, but a professional setting, deadline, we were strict, and client had specific experience. On my first day, I was introduced the team in give an overview of ongoing project. I work under the guidance of experience design who taught me how to apply my skills in real-world scenarios. My tasks include creating social media content, assisting in branding project, and design promotion material. One of the big challenge I faced was dealing with revisions in class. I was used to make design based on my own creativity, but in the industry, I had to adjust my design according to client feedback. Sometimes I had to refer a design multi times before it was approved. I was fur- frustrating at the time, but I learned the improve of the head ability. Another key experience was the learning about teamwork in school. I often worked off project alone, but at the agency, everything was a collaboration in work with copywriter, make marketer, and developer. I realized that a successful design is not just about aesthetic but also about how feel it aligns with marketing strategy and business goals. I also gained experience in time management with multi-project running simulation. I had to priority tasks and meet deadline. This taught me how to stay organized and work efficiently. One of the most rewarding moments was seeing my design used in the real campaign. Knowing that the work was being seen by thousands of people give me a sense of accomplishment. It made me realize the design has a real impact on business and audience. In addition, I learned how to handle pressure work on the deadlines of was stressful at time, but it helped me become more I also improved my communication skill as I had to present my idea to client and team member. My internship made me realize how dynamic the design industry is. Trend change rapidly, and designer need to stay updated. This motivation me to keep learning and improving my skill even after my internship ended. What I learned from this journey, my journey in the cafe has been filled with value lessons. I learned that creativity alone is not this discipline. Persistence and problem solving skills and equally important. I also discover that design is a continuous learning process. Trends change, technology evolve us, and there is always something the new explore. I also learn to embrace failure. Not every design will be perfect, not the first try. And then, okay, mistakes are part of the learning process. It's feel attempt bring new insight and improvement. Most importantly, I learned the power of storytelling through design. A well-designed visual and can convey emotion, inspire action, and leave a lasting impression. Whatever is a logo, a poster, or a digital ad, every design has a story behind it. I also realized the passion alone is the not. Hard work and dedication are just as important. Success in design requires con- continuous practice, research, and open mind to open mind to new idea. Conclusion: looking back, I am grateful for Choice de Coffee. It it has given me the skill, knowledge, and confidence to pursue a career in the creative industry. My internship experience prepared me to me for the real world, and my study taught me the fundamental of design. As I continue my journey, I excited to explore new possibilities in the field of design. Whatever is working in advertising, branding, or digital media, I know that the design will always be a part of my life. My passion for creativity has grown even stronger, and I can't wait to see whatever this path take me next. Throughout all the challenge lessons, I have grown not just as a design but also as a person. Design is more than just a career for me. It is a way of life. Uh, this is my presentation for 150 sentence. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.